Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be discussing the anatomy of the basal ganglia. And in subsequent videos we will describe the function of the basal ganglia and its role in movement, and we'll also discuss the pathophysiology of Parkinson's disease and how the basal ganglia is involved in that whole process. Okay, so this is a picture of the brain. It is cut from the top into half, and this is called the coronal plane because it separates the brain into dorsal and ventral parts. Okay, so now we have the caudate and the putamen, which make up what we call the striatum. And then we have our globus pallidus, which is divided into an external globus pallidus and an internal globus pallidus. Right, so the putamen and the globus pallidus together are known as the lenticular nucleus. And this is simply because they look like lenses. If you look at them, they look like lenses. We also have a structure known as the subthalamic nucleus, which also plays a role in the indirect pathway, which we will discuss later. We then have what we call the substantia nigra, and the neurons in the substantia nigra produce black pigment. That's why it's called substantia nigra. The subthalamic nucleus is called that because it is below the thalamus. This is our thalamus. So subthalamic. So now the question is, what exactly happens between the striatum, which receives input from the motor cortex, and the globus pallidus internal, which we mentioned provides the output. So basically, we want to know how the message is transferred from the motor cortex into the striatum through to the globus pallidus, and how movement is then regulated in that way. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you join me in the next one.